Hey, welcome to the secret page where I'm about to share with you a simple, fun, and easy way to make money with ecom in just 2 hours without a Shopify store and using 100% free traffic in just three simple steps where you can get multiple $18 to $25 payments sent to you every single day. Without selling your own product, without a Shopify or an online store, and without wasting money on Facebook ads, and without any prior ecom or drop shipping experience. Hey, my name is Johnny G, and in case you haven't heard of me, that's a picture of me right there. And I'm not sure if it's important for me to tell you that I've spoken on stages around the world and held multiple workshops where I've taught thousands of people my secret methods to make money on the internet. But recently, my student John, who was a total beginner with zero prior experience, made his first ecom sale in less than 2 hours by following the exact same method that you're about to get access to. And here's the message that John sent me on Facebook as soon as he made his first sale. As you can see, that's a picture of John on the left. And on the right, that's the Facebook message he sent me. He says, official first sale, $11.99. And if you look on the left at the follow-up message he sent me, he started his campaign at 6 p.m. and he made his first sale at 7:30 p.m. So that's less than 2 hours. John made money in less than 2 hours using this system. And by the end of the week, he made over $409. And his campaign is just churning out money every single day like clockwork. My next student, Raheem, was able to go from $0 to $144 in just 24 hours, as you can see here on his screenshot on the left hand side. Now Raheem's from Amsterdam, so his income show is in euros, but when converted into dollars, it's around $144 in just 24 hours. The second day, Raheem made $225, and after just 29 days, Raheem was able to make over $10,003, as you can see here in the screenshot from his Stripe account, which is absolutely amazing. And my students got these results with my simple 3-step ecom method that you can copy today simply by selling one weird item on a one-page ugly ecom cash site using 100% free traffic. And how do I know this is guaranteed to work for you? Well, not too long ago, my bank account used to look like this. As you can see there, that's literally just over £1 or just over $2 in my bank account. And that was a really crappy situation to be in. But thanks to this simple ecom method, I now get regular deposits into my bank account like this, as you can see here. Weekly deposits into my bank account of $2,881, $2,389, £1,826, sorry, 1,422. That's a total of £8,518, which is around 11,158 US dollars profit in just 4 weeks with a simple ecom system, the same system that you're about to get access to. Listen, today is the last day that you fail, because there's only one direction for you from this moment onward, and that's forward. I don't care if you failed in the past. I'm going to make sure that you start making money quickly with same-day ecom profits 2.0. So how does this ecom method work, and how can you start making money today? Well, right now, a lot of money is being spent online. And let me ask you something. Have you ever purchased something on the internet? Chances are you probably have, or you know someone that has. Well, imagine you are the person collecting the money that someone else is sending you to buy an item that you have. Well, there are thousands, even tens of thousands of people who will happily send you money for a small item that they want, which you don't even own, but you can direct them to. The only question is, will they be sending money to you or someone else? Well, by you providing all of these hungry ecom buyers with the item that they want, as a middleman, using my 3-step method, your account could look like this every day. Multiple payments coming in on a daily basis. That's multiple $18 to $25 or more payments coming in multiple times every single day, from you selling just one single item to thousands and thousands of people every single day. Multiple $80 to $25 payments simply by following my 3-step same-day ecom profits method, where you'll be making money simply by selling weird items which you don't even own. I'm talking about small weird items like this. Strange looking bracelets, weird keychains like this, strange looking phone cases like this, and simply by selling them on a one-page ugly ecom cash site which looks like this. As you can see, this page is very ugly, yet this is the page that Raheem used to make over $10,000 in just 30 days. Can you believe it? It's absolutely insane. And that's what you're going to be able to do after going through this method. But you may be thinking, how can I do this if I don't have a product, I don't have an online store, I don't know how to get traffic, and I don't know anything technical? Well, don't worry, my friend, because with the same-day ecom profits method, you can see results fast without an online store, without Shopify, without building an online store or website, without holding any inventory or stock, without investing money into products, without your own product or spending hours finding one, without wasting money on traffic or Facebook ads, without any business skills, without speaking to anyone, without any complicated software or tools, without any technical experience, without getting confused, without any e-com or dropshipping experience, or without wasting any time. I'd like to introduce you to Same-Day Ecom Profits 2.0, because after my students got amazing results, as you've seen, I shared their results on my Facebook page, and I got a ton of messages asking me how they can do the same. So I've spent the last month putting together this step-by-step course called Same-Day Ecom Profits 2.0. And inside Same-Day Ecom Profits 2.0 is 3 simple steps to get started. You're going to learn the same method that my students use to make money in 2 hours. It's a brand new method. Get results the same day. It's a proven and tested method by beginners, for beginners to see results. You can start with 100% free traffic, and you can also get thousands of visitors fast with my brand new $15 instant traffic method. This is not Facebook ads, it's something completely new, and it gets thousands of targeted visitors. It's beginner friendly and you can get results fast. Inside Same-Day Ecom Profits, I'm simply going to show you how to get results fast by doing the following. I'm going to show you how to quickly find a weird item to sell using my proven checklist, how to put together an ugly ecom cash site like this, how to get hungry buyers to your site with my free traffic method, and how to make sales and get multiple $18 to $25 payments like this all day, every day. Here's exactly what you're going to discover inside Same-Day Ecom Profits 2.0. How to find a weird item in minutes that's guaranteed to sell like hotcakes. How to put together an ugly ecom cash site fast with a free tool I'll reveal to you. How to accept payments and get paid. The free traffic strategy and the brand new low-cost traffic method, which is not Facebook, to get in front of hungry targeted buyers the same day so you can start making sales quickly. How to automate the delivery of each sale that you make so you can sit back and relax. How to get results the same day you start, and how you can go from $0 to $100 per day fast and then scale that to $1,000 or more per week. And how to set up as many campaigns as you want so your income multiplies each time. So read the page below and get access to Same-Day Ecom Profits 2.0, because I'm going to be offering this for a limited time only, because after this I'm going to be raising the price and taking down this page, and I'm only going to be giving this as part of my high-end coaching program. So this is the only time I'm going to be releasing this course, Same-Day Ecom Profits 2.0, at this ridiculously crazy low price. Literally, it's less than the price of going out for a couple of cups of coffee. Get access right now if you want to start seeing results by setting up a Same-Day Ecom Profits campaign that pumps out multiple $18 to $25 payments every single day in just 3 simple steps, and you want to see results in just 2 hours. Read this page, click the button below and get access to Same-Day Ecom Profits, and I'll see you on the inside.